Do you remember the satisfying thunk of inserting a videocassette into your VCR and the anticipation of your favorite movie starting up? It felt like magic to watch movies at home, but how exactly did that rectangular box turn a magnetic ribbon into a picture on your television screen? Well, the amazing way VCRs played back magnetic signals involved a finely tuned process centered around a spinning component called the helical scan video head. This head moved incredibly quickly, picking up the recorded information from the tape, which was essentially a series of magnetic patterns representing video and audio data. The core mechanism behind this playback was a rapidly rotating drum containing two or more tiny electromagnet heads. As the videotape was pulled past this spinning drum at a precise angle, the heads would scan across the tape's surface diagonally. This allowed the VCR to read a massive amount of information per second, converting the magnetic fluctuations into electrical signals. To make this work seamlessly, the VCR used a precise mechanical system to wrap the tape around the spinning head drum in a helical path, which looks like a spiral. This special wrapping ensured continuous contact between the heads and the tape, even though the tape was moving much slower than the heads themselves. The magnetic particles on the tape, oriented by the recording process, then induced a tiny electrical current in the playback heads as they passed over, creating the raw signal. It was a brilliant feat of engineering for its time, especially considering the relatively large amount of data a single frame of video contains. This intricate process of reading magnetic signals also required a very stable tape path and precise motor control, which is why sometimes those older tapes would get chewed up if the VCR wasn't well maintained or if the tape itself was damaged. The magnetic signals on the tape itself were extremely tiny, requiring very sensitive electronics to amplify them into a usable picture and sound. Understanding how VCRs read those magnetic patterns gives you a newfound appreciation for the home video revolution. It transformed how we consumed entertainment, making everything from classic movies to recorded television shows readily available right in our living rooms, all thanks to those tiny, rapidly spinning heads decoding invisible magnetic patterns.